Hello. In this video, we're going to look at the roll call attendance tool in Canvas. This is a great tool if you want to take attendance in Canvas, but it does have some idiosyncrasies. My goal for you after watching this video is that you'll have the best experience using this tool. Let's go ahead and look at how to set this up in Canvas. Alright, so here we are in Canvas, and the steps I'm going to show now are how to create the attendance assignment in your course. So the first thing you need to do is click on the attendance link in the course navigation. That will create the assignment. And then to create the assignment in the gradebook, we need to take attendance at least once. So I'm going to click mark all at present. So let's go look in the gradebook to see how this looks. So I click on grades, and we can see that here. Now, when we go back to the home page, we see the attendance there. I do want to call out some notes. So there are some things that you can edit, but before that, I want to mention that if you want to avoid calculation errors, you should not delete, rename, or unpublish the attendance assignment. Basically, leave it alone. You can put the attendance assignment in a weighted group, and we'll look at that. You can change this, the point value, and we'll look at that. And you can remove the attendance from the gradebook by changing the assignment type, and we'll look at that. One other note is that you can, if you don't want to have this as part of the final grade in your course, you have the option to remove it from the final grade calculation in the assignment settings. However, it is recommended that you do that through the roll call settings, and we'll look at that momentarily. All right, so we have our assignment. I can click into it. We can edit the assignment settings. So here you can see that it's 100 points. If I want to change that, I can do that. I will have to go back and retake attendance because I've already taken it once if I want that to reflect these points, which I do, because I want the calculation to be correct. So I'll save it here, and then I'll unmark everyone and mark all as present again. So that will take into account the point change that I did. In this tool, so let's go back and click on attendance. You can get to the assignment settings here under the gear icon. So here is where you would select if you don't want to count attendance toward the final grade. You can also change the percentage of a late mark. 80% is the default, but you can change it to whatever you want. The other thing under here is an attendance report. So after you've finished taking attendance or at a certain point in the term, you can run that and it will email you a copy of the report. Let's go back to the home. So now let's say I want to weight this in an assignment group. So the first thing I'll do is create that group. We'll call it attendance. And now I can there's two ways I can do this. I can either click and drag it down into attendance, which would be the easiest thing to do, or I can open the assignment, edit the assignment settings, and change the group. Let's go back home. So now I've got these two assignment groups. If I want to weight those, I can select the weight final grade, and then we'll make this 85% and attendance 15% of the grade. And we can see that reflected here. So now those 200 points are 15% of the grade. Let's say I wanted to remove this from the gradebook. Hi, this is Future Jedediah. I just want to let you know that you need to be sure that you want to remove the attendance assignment from your Canvas course, because once you remove it, it's not possible to get it back. So just be sure that you want to remove it. Carry on. To do that, I'll open the assignment, edit the assignment settings, and in display grade as, I'm going to select not graded, and then click save. And if I go back to the gradebook, so the assignment is gone. And I would also want to change the assignment categories as well. So again, just to summarize, the attendance tool is great for taking attendance in Canvas. There are some things that you need to look out for. Basically, my recommendation is once you have it in your course, just leave things at default. If you want to put it in an assignment group to weight it, that will work fine. Otherwise, just leave the attendance as it is, and you should be good to go. I hope that was helpful for you. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and have a great day. Bye.